Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with this month's Sephora Play Box. For those of you who don't know, Sephora Play is a monthly subscription box. For $10 a month, you get a bunch of sample sizes that match your beauty profile, and you get this little paper that tells you what's in the box. Usually has some sort of story or game or graphic on one side and information on the other. You get a card for additional beauty bonus points if you shop online or in store. You get this reusable pouch. It's like a little Ziploc bag that you can put into your other bags to organize your stuff, which is kind of handy. So let's see if there is a theme or something to this month's box. I'm seeing a bunch of games on the little infographic, and it says stay in and play. What's better than new beauty? New beauty and night of self-care. So go ahead and put on that mask you've been meaning to try. These puzzles will be here for you while it dries. I wonder if that is a clue. There's going to be a bunch of masks in here. 5 items and 1 beauty bonus. Let's see what the first thing I pull out of my bag is. It is the beauty bonus. It is a fragrance. Here you go. Black Opium by Yves Saint Laurent. Warm and spicy with top notes of black coffee, middle notes of white flowers, and a vanilla base. It smells really good. I've tried it before. My favorite fragrance is an Yves Saint Laurent, but it's a sweeter and I guess less spicy one. It's the Mon Paris. But I kind of like what they do in the fragrance department, so it's always worth trying an Yves Saint Laurent fragrance. Now let's see. The next thing I'm pulling out is Glam Glow Glow Starter. A mega illuminating moisturizing moisturizer. I thought it was going to be a mask, but it is a tinted moisturizer in Nude Glow. A pearl particle infused moisturizer that hydrates as it highlights. So a little one-step beauty for easy days. I am excited about that. Maybe you're going out on the weekend, you don't need to put on a full face before you go out shopping or whatever. I like multitaskers. Who doesn't? Okay. The next thing I've got is a Lancome mascara. Hypnostrama. Go ahead and focus, my friend. Got it? Well, that doesn't show up really well. That's okay, let me tell you about it. It is mascara. A brush shaped like an S takes the stress out of mascara application. One coat. Do a little wiggle is the recommendation on the sheet. Okay. I don't have a holy grail mascara, so always trying never really settling down. My favorite mascara is a sample size mascara because I feel like they always dry out way before I can use them up. This one says it is for volume and full body, and it is clearly black. I seem to have just pulled a second Glam Glow glow starter out of my bag. They appear to be identical. I wonder if I got a bonus or if I'll be missing something. Time will tell. Alright, we have a NARS lipstick in the color Tolid. It is a classic pink rose lipstick with a satin finish. Let's check it out. Okay. Here's the packaging. It's cute. The shade, kind of a dusty mauve pink, some beige tones. It's a good, basically nude, classic everyday color. Satin finish. Hasn't, more of a stain than a lipstick girl. Oh, okay, I got a second mascara also. This box seems to be stacked for me. Kickapair Dermagreen Solution Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment from Dr. Jart. There it is. This stuff is nice. It neutralizes redness. And it's got SPF. I have purchased this before. It is a good product. I like Dr. Jart stuff. I believe it's a K-beauty company, but I'm not sure. This says Tiger Grass infused treatment soothes and protects skin from environmental aggressors. You put it on after your serum, before your foundation. Yeah, and it evens out your skin tone if you happen to be a super red lady, like I am. Green tone things really help even that up. And it feels really nice, and it has SPF, so win-win-win. Okay, it seems like I have one more thing in the bag. It is a Clinique lip balm, maybe? Almost lipstick. So yeah, it's a tinted lip balm in Black Honey. A slight wash of Universally Flattering. Bleh. I'm gonna try that again. Let's pretend that didn't happen. Add a slight wash of Universally Flattering color with this plum tinted lip balm meets lipstick. I have this one. It is nice for these autumnal times. Relatively sheer. Just a little hint. It is very moisturizing. See right there. Just a little hint. It's really nice. That is everything in my Sephora Play Box this month. Thank you for coming to open it with me. I really enjoy it. I'm a little confused because I got some doubles. Guess Sephora thought that I've been a very good girl this month and I needed some extra stuff. Maybe I just need more highlighting in my life. Or they heard that I need a new mascara. The product I'm most excited about in the box is this Glam Glow Glow Starter. So lucky that I got two, I guess. What is your favorite item in the box? Let me know in the comments down below. Did you get similar items? The NARS lipstick is labeled as a new product, but none of the others are labeled as anything specific. So I wonder if the boxes were very similar as opposed to really tailored to the profiles this month. If you also get this box, let me know if your items were similar. Let me know if you got doubles or if I'm just super lucky this month. Yeah, let me know. Yeah, favorite item. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. For more adventures of a girl and her box, click the playlist in the top left. If you want to see what we get up to in our life around here, click the playlist in the top right. I'll put my last Sephora Play Box down at the bottom. You can subscribe by clicking on the circular icon of my face. Thanks for watching!